Hello my friend, welcome to teaching jewelry design and this is lesson, I think this is lesson 5 and we are teaching solid. Yes, this is solid part and going to first floor. We have the first union and difference. For example, we have two solid and in the first I bigger the top view. Okay, excuse me, bigger the perspective view. We have this and for example this. Is a different shape and not attaching to him. And yes, it's not together. Okay, and when I selected these and selected this icon union, they are attaching to each other. They are clicking on this union. They are is a one solid, make a one solid. Okay, and when I want, for example, I draw this cube. Okay, and I want cutting this solid or volume with this cube. I selected on this and then click on difference and then click on this cube. Yeah, you see, yes, difference or here. Okay, goes to that, click on that, then click on difference and then okay, or we have that. This intersection, we have these and then click on intersection, click on this intersection and click on this. Okay, a volume of two solids. This part is this part and this part have same volume in this area. Then I click in this and then click in intersection and then that. Yes, this area is have a together of this solid and this solid, and then when click on that we have just this area. Okay, and then click on 2 and then click on boolean to object. Yes, have a solid, have a one object. This icon is cap planner. When we have for example we make that and I draw this object straight. Okay, this object look like a cube but have a no cap. We need a cap in here top and in here in under of this cube. Okay, click on this object and then go in solid and then cap planner. Okay, we have two cap in under and on the top. Okay, this extract surface. When I need extracting a surface, for example, I need this surface, clicking on this extract surface. Yes, okay, extracting. Or I want to extracting surface and no copy, click on that and copy no, then okay, or in here select surface to extract. Okay, or I want to just copy, yeah. Okay, the next is fillet edge. For example, I want to fillets. I want to have a soft edge in here, not very sharp, look like this. I click on that. Okay, radius, for example, 0.5, and click in here. Yeah. Here I have a, or here. Okay. T means text. We can when unclick on that, for example 21 or 23, we can make text with this icon text. Okay, then I can if not solid, yes, this is solid. If I'm not solid is a surface, we can make a solid, for example. Okay. The next, extrude curve straight. For example, we have these curves, okay, and I want to extrude this to solid form. Click on that, and then yes, we have a extruded curve or object to this form. Okay, select extrude all means we have many curves. We can extrude with this. Okay, this is pipe. I draw a curve, for example that I draw this curve, and I want to convert this curve to the pipe, and go in the solid, select the curve, and then click on the pipe, left click, and then diameter to the radius. Okay, flat means cap, flat means in the end or in the start and in the end have a flat or have a round. Okay, or don't have any cap. We choose the flat form and the radius. Okay, the start diameter 2, I want 1 and 1. Okay, or we can select it, and in the start is 1 and the end is 5, for example. Okay, box. Well, when I click on that, we can draw the box. When click 10 in enter, 10 enter, 10 enter. We have a box with the x, y, z, 10 10 10 10 and the 10 with the 10 dimensional and the 3 dips.